Let's see what the hell is going on here in the shop. Let's get you guys caught up. The 78 Ford pickup is in final primer. Bruce is blocking away, getting it ready for paint. The 57 Chevy pickup, the welding is done, and I just did the texture spray underneath the floorboards. Look at this. This is all new. This is all built new. Cab corners are new, inner and outer. It's done. It is done underneath. I'll get up from the dark hole here so you can see a little better. There we go. She's up on the hoist just because I sprayed her last night. And we'll come around over here. The 36 Ford. Look at that. She's coming together. Now avoid the top because the upholstery is getting all redone, but we just put the top and that on so when the upholstery guy gets it, he knows how it goes together and comes apart. Because that's his job to take it apart and put it back together, not mine. You do upholstery, you figure it out, buddy. Isn't that right? There we go. And yes, it is a runner. We'll be putting the front sheet metal on it this week. I'll zoom in there. What else we got on the go here? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. The 53 Ford pickup is actually blocked, ready to go. Inside is all painted. It is heading over to the paint booth. Actually later today. Oh! Look, here's the two employees of the day. That's it. Sean, you're in the rain today working. Yeah, Sean's going to do some wet sanding. What's he got going on in here? Oh yeah. Keith's truck is coming along. Doors are all off, blocked, ready for paint. Inside's all ready. Hood is ready for paint. Tailgate, and Sean's just working on the outside here a bit. And that is what is happening. He's working on the firewall. It needs to be primered. Yeah. So that's what's going on. So we'll get back around to the front. Alright. There we go. Okay. Oh yes, 81 Ford pickup way over in the corner. This is for Paz Fuels. We knew it was going to rain last night, so we shoved it in this carport bay because I'm running out of space here. It is ready for paint too. The inside's been all painted. Chris has been working away, putting all the dash, wiring, everything back together in it. There it all is. Lisa and I, Chris had started putting the sheet metal on it, and Lisa and I yesterday went ahead and finished it off and fine-tuned it. So all the doors, hood, everything are on. Gaps are all lined up, working out beautiful. So there it is there. So that's ready to rock and roll for paint. So we got quite a few on the go. And we've got a lot more coming in. Oh, and there's my Monarch. There's my beautiful Monarch. Who wants to buy a Monarch? Anyway, there we go. So, that's it. And of course, Black Betty's sitting here waiting to be driven. Haven't driven her for 2 years. Flat tires. I'm going to get her on the road here pretty quick though. Maybe check out a car show or two around the I don't know, the United States, maybe. Go down there, do some burnouts. Anyway, what can I say? Okay, guys, let's get the hell out of the rain. That's it. So that is what is going on today. So remember, it is always a good time at all time. A little bit of an update there. Actually, to be honest, that's a real fucking shitty update. But anyway, you stay tuned and we will show you more stuff, I promise you. Okay, thanks for subscribing. Remember, if you're a new subscriber, t-shirts, decals, all that kind of stuff, look us up. oldtimegarage.ca. We are out there and we have an Instagram page. See you later, guys.